Dear children, now we are going to discuss relative refractive index. So, when light ray traveling from medium 1 to medium 2, the refractive index of second medium, with respect to first medium is N2 by N1 is equal to speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2. So, the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is V1 by V2. Right, the relation between the refractive index N equal to C by V. The relation between N and V is inversely proportional. Now N2 by N1 equal to V1 by V2. Now this is constant. But the formula V equal to F lambda. When light travel from medium 1 to medium 2, so the speed of light in medium V, lambda is wavelength of the light wave, F is frequency of the wave. Right? When light traveling from medium 1 to medium 2, frequency is constant. The frequency depends upon source of light. So the frequency is not changed when light travel from one medium to another medium. Now the relation between wavelength and velocity is directly proportional. It means, so the velocity is more than wavelength is more, velocity is less than wavelength is less. Here we get N2 by N1 that equal to V1 by V2. The relation between velocity and wavelength is directly proportional. Then V1 by V2 equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. So now we can write this relation. Suppose refractive index and velocities are given. So that is N2 by N1 is equal to V1 by V2. If refractive index and wavelength are given, that is N2 by N1 that equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. Right? When light travel from medium 1 to medium 2, the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. So second medium, refracted ray is in which medium? Second medium. When it is came from medium 1, it is came from medium 1. So the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2. So that is constant. One more example. When light traveling from one medium to another medium, first medium to second medium. First medium is water, second medium is glass. So the light traveling from water to glass, then the refractive index of glass relative to water. The refracted ray is in glass, incident ray is in water. The refractive index of glass relative to water is Ng by Nw, that equal to speed of light in water by speed of light in glass. Speed of light in water, that is 2.25 into 10 power 8 meters per second, and speed of light in glass 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So meter per second, 10 power 8 get cancelled. Now 2.25 by 2. It means that is 225 by 200. So 25 nines, 25 eights. Now we get 9 by 8. So the refractive index of glass relative to water is 9 by 8. Suppose light ray traveling from glass to water. Here medium 1 is glass, medium 2 is water. Light ray traveling from glass to water. Then the refractive index of water relative to glass. So the refractive index of water relative to glass. So that is NW by NZ equal to speed of light in glass by speed of light in water. So speed of light in glass, you know, that is 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Speed of light in water 2.25 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So meter per second, 10 power 8, 10 power 8 get cancelled. Now 2 by 2.25. Now that is 200 by 225. So that is 25. 8s, 25, 9s. Now we get 8 by 9. What is that? Refractive index of water relative to glass. Right? Refractive index of glass relative to water is 9 by 8. Now the refractive index of water relative to glass is 8 by 9. It is the reciprocal of this one. So this is called relativity, relative refractive index. Right?